Once Handbrake opens, you will see a screen that looks like this. There are a lot of options and it can look daunting at first, but don't worry, we don't need most of the options and we will talk you through step by step the ones that you do. The first thing we need to do once in Handbrake is change one of the main settings. To do that, click the Tools menu at the top and then click Options. Under the General tab, which is the first tab, at the very bottom you will see an option that says always use iPod and iTunes friendly file extensions. Make sure this is unticked. It should be ticked by default, so click it to untick it. It's worth mentioning here that unticking this does not change your video's compatibility with the iPod, the iPhone and the iPad. If you follow the instructions in this video 100% correctly, your video will be compatible with iPhones and iPads, but we do need to make sure that this option is unticked. Once you've unticked the option, press the close button to continue. First of all, we need to select your video file that we're going to make web ready. To do that, click the source icon at the very top left of the program. This will open up a window where you can navigate through your computer to find the video file. Once you've done that, click the video file and click Open to open the video file inside of Handbrake. Now you will notice that the options are not grayed out and are ready for selection for your video file. First of all, we need to make sure in the drop-down menu next to Format, MP4 file is selected. Moving across from that, you can see 3 checkboxes. This is one of the most important settings you will set. You need to tick the web optimized box. Make sure this is ticked. Below this, you will see a range of tabs. We are currently on the video tab. The video codec is set to H.264 by default. Again, you don't need to know what that means. It's the right setting, so you can leave that without touching it. Frame rate, again, leave without touching it. It is on the right setting, which is the same as source. We're going to come back to the video tab, but first we're going to click the audio tab next to it. You will notice a bitrate column. Underneath this it says 160. We're going to click next to this and choose 128 from the menu. Next we're going to click the Advanced tab. Under Advanced, again, there are a lot of options that we can ignore. All we need to focus on is the first option under Encoding. It says Reference Frames. You need to select this menu and click 4. Moving back to the Video tab, we now have our final setting to select. For a video file, the average bitrate is what we're going to be looking at. Ignore constant quality and target file size. Click the average bitrate setting. You will see a default of 1500. A good example of what you should be using here is around 600 for presentation or screen recording videos. If you have full motion video, live actors in a real world environment, for example, then you may want to select 700 or 800 instead. You can always come back and test this setting by changing the value in this box and seeing the result. We're going to select 600, which is fine for most video screen recording. Finally, we're going to select the 2-pass encoding box and tick it. The last step is choosing where you want your file to be saved. Select a folder on your computer that you're happy for this new file to be saved as. This is your converted video file. It will be a version of your original video which has been made 100% web ready. Before we complete the process and press start to convert the file, remember, it's very important to select 100% of these options. For example, not ticking web optimized or not selecting the bitrate will result in a file which is not 100% web ready. Watch this video again if you need to confirm the settings. Once you are ready to go, navigate to the top and press the Start icon. You will notice a progress bar at the bottom of Handbrake. This tells you how far in the conversion process Handbrake is with your video. Once the conversion is completed, Handbrake will confirm this with you, and you will be able to navigate to the folder that you selected as the destination folder for your new web-ready video, and you are able to continue to upload this video for online use.